In today's video, I'm going to teach you custom domain URL not working in Google Sites, solved. If your custom domain points to your Google site but visitors see a permission error, a blank page, or it only loads for you when signed in, the issue is almost always your site's visibility. Custom domains require your published site to be publicly viewable. Let's fix that together, step by step. First, open your website in the Google Sites editor. Make sure you're in the correct site that's mapped to your custom domain. If you manage multiple sites or accounts, double-check you're signed into the right Google account before you continue. At the top of the editor, click the Share button. This opens the sharing and visibility settings. Don't worry, changing these options won't alter your content. We're just adjusting who can view the published version of your site. Inside the Share settings, look for the section specifically labeled for the published site. Google Sites separates visibility for the draft, what you edit, and the published version, what visitors see. We need to change the published visibility, not the draft. If you see tabs or options for draft and published site, make sure you're on published site. Now, find the current access setting. If your custom domain isn't working for the public, it's likely set to restricted or limited to your organization. Click where it says Restricted to open the visibility options. Choose Public. This allows anyone on the web to view the published site, which is required for your custom domain to load for all visitors. Keep in mind, this does not give editing access. It simply lets people view the site when they visit your domain. Once you've selected Public, click Done to save the change. That's it for the fix. A couple of quick notes to help you succeed. Public visibility applies to the published version, so your custom domain now has permission to serve the site to anyone. If you're using a work or school account, the restricted label might show your organization's name. Switching it to public is still the correct choice for a public website. After updating visibility, DNS and browser caching can influence what you see. It may take a little time for the change to reflect everywhere, especially if you've recently adjusted DNS. If you want to confirm what the public sees, you can check from a browser where you're not signed in. And that's how to fix a custom domain URL not working in Google Sites by making your published site public.